In this video, I'll show you how you can have a multi-language site or store on Shopify. So for this, you want to sign into your Shopify account, go to the dashboard and then click on apps. Okay, so first of all, you want to click on visit the Shopify App Store. And then once you're on the App Store, let's just wait. You want to search for a language. So simply search for language and then hit enter. And then we're going to download, let's see where the app is at, right there, Translation Lab. So click on that and then click on add app right there. It has a 4.8 star rating from 129 reviews, so that's great. And you want to install this app on your Shopify store. This will then take you over to this page. Let's see where you can actually set this up. Yes, there you go. So basically how this works is you choose a language. So choose and configure the languages in which you wish to translate your store's content, and you can then manually do that, or you can also automatically translate it. However, I do not recommend it. I recommend doing this manually so that you know that it's correct, because that's very important. So once you have installed this app, you can click on languages right there, and you can then start adding languages. Okay, so right there, because I've done this before, I have a few different languages here, but if I just remove them, I'll show you how it works. So right there, you can actually add some languages. So choose one of them or multiple, up to you guys. Let's say that I want to add, let's see, Dutch, because I'm Dutch, and then you click on add right there. And there you go. So right now you have the Dutch URL page. So this one right here would then be a Dutch page on your Shopify store. So for the Dutch visitors, you can send them over to this one and they'll then see the Dutch page basically. So you can do that with a couple of countries. Now once you've done that, you can actually start translating it. So for that, you want to click on translations, and then right there, translation of a product or whatever, a theme, an article, a blog, a page, a collection, etc. All of these different options. If you scroll down, you can start translating the titles. So I know this is going to be some work, especially if you have a couple or many products on your store, but once you've set this up, you'll be done and you can use it forever basically. But that's how you can set up a multi-language store. So what you need to do, go over to translations and then start entering the translation for that specific language right there. And you would have to do that with the description and title and all of that good stuff, and then you're done. Click on save and that's it. And you can do that with multiple countries, languages of course. All you need to do is click on add right there, and you can then start translating for that multi-language Shopify store. Now like I said, you can also go with the automated translation, but that's totally up to you guys. I wouldn't do that since it might be wrong many times, but that's up to you guys. So that's pretty much how you can set up a multi-language store. If this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video.